You asked, how to divide 20,749 by 100 using the long division method. 2 is too small. 20 is too small. Use 207. 207 divided by 100 equals 2. 2 times 100 equals 200. 207 minus 200 equals 7. Bring down 4, making 74. 74 divided by 100 equals 0. 0 times 100 equals 0. 74 minus 0 equals 74. Bring down 9, making 749. 749 divided by 100 equals 7. 7 times 100 equals 700. 749 minus 700 equals 49. The remainder is 49. The final result is 207 remainder 49.